Alright guys, staying with the AutoMotivationZ here. I have my stock exhaust from my 2019 RS3 I wanted to show you. If you haven't seen it, this is what it looks like. It's all in one piece. And I cleaned it up a little bit, but you can see the tips are fairly clean. I had this on there for about 5 months before I took it off. Here's a picture of the active valves, which I really didn't like, but there they are. And guys, these exhaust hangers are so hard to get off. It took quite a bit of time to get those off, but yeah, this is all one piece. It weighs probably close to 50 pounds. It's not very easy to maneuver. Good weight savings to get a new exhaust.